Hey everyone, I'm Patrick from Biz Builders, and if you're thinking about starting an LLC in Idaho in 2026 without hiring an expensive lawyer, this video is for you, especially if you've heard that Idaho is one of the easiest states to form an LLC in. Because here's the reality, that statement is true, and it's also dangerous if you stop paying attention too early. Idaho makes it very easy to start an LLC, but it expects you to be extremely responsible with what comes after. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the actual step-by-step process to form an Idaho LLC correctly and explain where most founders get caught off guard once the filing is done. Let's get into it. How people misread Idaho. When Idaho comes up in business conversations, it's usually described like this: fast online filing, low fees, clean system, no unnecessary friction. And all of that is accurate. So when people form an LLC in Idaho, they usually take one of two approaches. Option 1, you file quickly, get approved, and mentally move on. You assume Idaho is a set it and forget it state. Option 2, you recognize that Idaho's simplicity is intentional and that it shifts responsibility onto you to stay compliant. Most people choose option 1, and that's where the reality check comes in, where DIY in Idaho goes wrong. I tried the DIY route once in Idaho, and I'll be honest, the beginning felt almost too easy. The $100 filing fee was straightforward. The online filing system worked smoothly. Approval came back faster than expected, so I assumed the hard part was over. It wasn't. Between understanding Idaho's annual report requirement, keeping registered agent information accurate, handling state tax registration, and meeting banking documentation expectations, I lost weeks fixing things that didn't show up immediately. That's the thing about Idaho. It doesn't overwhelm you with rules up front. It expects you to follow through responsibly after approval. What you actually need to start an Idaho LLC the right way. Here's what you actually need to do if you want your Idaho LLC set up cleanly from day one. First, choose your business name. Idaho has naming rules and restricted terms, so always have a primary name and a backup ready. Second, appoint a registered agent with a physical street address in Idaho. This is required. P.O. boxes are not accepted. Third, file your certificate of organization with the Idaho Secretary of State. This is what legally creates your LLC. Fourth, get your EIN from the IRS. You'll need this for taxes, payroll, and opening a business bank account. Fifth, register with the Idaho State Tax Commission if your LLC will have revenue, employees, or taxable activity. Many founders delay this step, and that's a mistake. Sixth, understand Idaho's annual report requirement. Idaho requires an annual report every year to keep your LLC active and in good standing, and missing it can lead to administrative dissolution. And seventh, open a business bank account so your personal and business finances stay completely separate. Idaho won't babysit you. It expects follow-through. The serious follow-up most people don't expect. Here's where Idaho catches people off guard. Because the state is so easy at the beginning, founders assume fewer deadlines, less maintenance, lower attention needed. In reality, annual reports are mandatory. Registered agent information must stay accurate. State tax registration matters early. Missed filings can quietly put your LLC at risk. Idaho doesn't make noise when something is wrong. It just lets your LLC drift out of good standing, and fixing that later costs time, credibility, and momentum. Why professional help makes sense in Idaho. That's exactly why I recommend Taylor Brands for Idaho. They don't just help you file and disappear. They handle Idaho Registered Agent Setup, Certificate of Organization Filing, EIN, Operating Agreement, guidance on Idaho tax registration, annual report reminders, help opening your business bank account. Most importantly, they understand Idaho's simple but strict compliance style. Easy up front, serious afterward. Cost. Why this still makes sense. Here's the best part. Through our exclusive partnership, you can get started for $0 plus Idaho's required state filing fees. That's the same cost as doing it yourself, but without misjudging the follow-up that actually matters. Same money, better execution. Final thought. Idaho LLCs are genuinely easy to start, but the founders who succeed long-term are the ones who respect what comes after approval. Use the link in the description, get your Idaho LLC formed properly, stay compliant from day one, and keep your business moving forward without unnecessary setbacks. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more real, no-fluff business advice, and I'll see you in the next video.